Hello, and welcome to IYOVIA. Over the next few minutes, I want to share with you the details of this company and why you should consider what we have to offer. The world is constantly evolving. The question is, are you? Think about that for a moment. The world is evolving faster than ever before. The good news is, with IYOVIA, you can have the tools and information that you need to keep up with it. So, what is IYOVIA? IYOVIA symbolizes the path to greatness and is the ultimate e-learning platform and community designed to help you navigate the markets and beyond. Our mission is to empower your future through education and to provide you with the tools, knowledge, and support that you need through your journey. You can learn anywhere, anytime with daily goLIVE sessions and on-demand content. IYOVIA gives you 24/7 access to world-class education in over 15 languages. We also offer a variety of market strategies tailored to a style that caters to your lifestyle. And while you're out having fun, watch goLIVE and learn on the go. Travel better and learn better with IYOVIA GO, and explore the world with our discount travel booking site. Learning on the go has never been easier. So, why partner with IYOVIA? You have a curriculum designed for all levels, live daily education sessions, dozens of educators and strategies, and a supportive community for accountability. You have access to interactive education in the foreign exchange market, including analysis, advanced strategies, and all the tools listed below. You can also access interactive education on both stocks and cryptocurrency markets. You can learn strategies and market analysis techniques and apply real-world insights with tools like SwipeCoin and CryptoHarmony. You can also access interactive education on essential skills in social media and e-commerce, offering lessons for building a social media presence and scaling your online business. Your initial cost is $249.95, and then your monthly after that is $184.95 per 4-week billing cycle. With the Transform Bundle, you can pick any 2 packages and receive access to the personal development course, IYOVIA GO, and a 12-month reward trip. The initial cost for the Transform Bundle is $274.95 and $249.95 per 4-week billing cycle. Be sure to check out our course library where you will learn about the different markets, and then you can hop on goLIVE and watch live sessions from various educators in 15 languages. So get back to the person that shared this video with you. Visit IYOVIA.com to learn more. IYOVIA, empowering your journey to greatness.